Welcome back. Today we're diving into the world of fashion design, where creativity meets technology. In this video, I'll show you how to use MidJourney to bring your outfit ideas to life, from conceptualizing your vision to creating a cohesive collection. Whether you're designing for a casual day out or a high fashion runway show, I've got you covered. As always, don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips to help you out on your fashion design. Let's jump right in. It's essential to have a clear idea of what you want to achieve. Fashion starts with a vision, and that vision often draws from a variety of inspirations. Let's say we want to design something for a summer festival. We want to channel that carefree bohemian vibe with flowing fabrics and earthy tones. Now I'll show you how we can turn that concept into a visual prompt in MidJourney. My apologies for that. Okay, so here's the prompt that we're going to use. See here with all the details here and there. All right, I'll go ahead and enter that into MidJourney and we'll see what it generates. Now, while MidJourney works its magic, remember that this is where the power of the right keywords come into play. By providing clear, descriptive elements like bohemian vibes and flowing fabrics, we're guiding MidJourney to generate something aligned with our vision. All right, so let's see what it comes up with. Okay, it's currently processing. We're almost done. And yep, here are the results. As you can see, MidJourney has brought our concept to life, beautifully capturing that laid-back festival-ready aesthetic. Notice the way the flowing fabric here and the layered accessories that could create that perfect boho chic look. See? This is a great start. And from here, we can refine the design further or even create variations for different festival vibes. So the possibilities are endless when you start with a clear concept. See? Pretty stunning, I must say. Now that we've got a vision in place, let's talk about one of the most crucial aspects of fashion design: silhouettes. The silhouette of a garment defines its shape and structure, which ultimately determines how it looks and moves on the body. I'm going to show you how to experiment with different silhouettes in MidJourney. Let's start with a structured power suit. Think exaggerated shoulders, a fitted waist, and flared trousers for that bold, confident look. Here's how I'd phrase the prompt. Here it is. So here are all the details here and there that I crafted and put together right here. So once it's entered, I'll go ahead and send that in, and we'll see what MidJourney generates for us. Now, while we wait for the results, it's important to think about how these different elements, like shoulders, waist, and trousers, work together to create the overall silhouette. By specifying these details in the prompt, we're guiding MidJourney to focus on a very intentional shape, which can help refine our design. All right, so let's see how this turned out. All right, it's now complete. As you can see, you can immediately notice the sharp lines and structured silhouette here. That gives this suit a bold, commanding presence. So, the exaggerated shoulders, okay, the flared trousers, these really add that modern edge we were looking for. This would work perfectly for either a high power office look or even a runway moment. Now, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. One of the most exciting aspects of fashion design is mixing patterns and prints. It's all about creating visual interest by combining unexpected elements, and this can really push your designs to the next level. Let's start with something playful, like combining polka dots and florals. We'll use MidJourney, right over here to visualize how those patterns work together in complementary colors. Now, here is the prompt that we'll be using. Right, just as I stated mainly, it's right over here. There are more and more details added right here in this prompt. All right, I'm going to input this into MidJourney and let's see how it interprets the combination. Now, while MidJourney generates the results, think about how patterns and prints interact. The goal is to strike a balance where the designs complement each other without overwhelming the overall look. By specifying complementary colors, we're helping MidJourney keep harmony between the boldness of the prints. All right, looks like the images are about to be done with the rendering, so let's check out what it creates. And here they are. Take a look at that. We got the polka dots, one over here, and also the florals down here, and then the combination right over here. They work together really beautifully. And also the complementary colors really help tie everything together. And the contrast between the structured polka dots and the softer florals create a dynamic, playful vibe. This would be perfect for a casual yet stylish day outfit or even a fun event look. We've now explored individual outfits, but the real magic happens when you can tie those pieces together into a cohesive collection. Whether you're creating a capsule wardrobe or preparing for a runway show, continuity is key. Let's say we're working on a fall or winter 2024 collection, and we want to focus on structured outerwear, cozy knitwear, and leather accents, all tied together with a muted earthy color palette. Now I'll show you how we can prompt MidJourney to generate a cohesive collection with those elements in mind. So here's the prompt right over here. So much more detail here and there. And then let's input this into MidJourney and see how it generates a collection that flows together. Now, as MidJourney works, remember that cohesiveness comes from more than just repeating patterns or colors. It's about making sure the pieces complement each other in tone, mood, and even the materials used. By guiding MidJourney, down right here with clear references like structured coats and leather detailing, we're ensuring that each piece aligns with the overall theme. Right, so here it is. It's already completed, so let's see what the collection looks like. All right, you can instantly tell that this is a cohesive fall-winter collection. Okay, that's a little bit cropped out. Let's go with another one right here. Okay. Here it is. The structured coats have a strong presence, while the knitwear right there adds softness, and the leather details tie everything together. And so the muted earthy tones create some sort of sense of harmony throughout. Yep, this makes each piece feel connected, even though they serve different purposes within the collection. And that wraps up today's guide on using MidJourney for fashion design. I hope these tips help you take your designs to the next level.